Leave your laundry perfectly dry with this vented tumble dryer from Hoover, which is packed with intelligent technology to make laundry day effortless. It has a C energy rating and a medium-sized 9-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for better drying results. This model can be remotely controlled using Hoover's one-touch technology from your smartphone or tablet. Simply download the app for free onto your smart device. You can then turn your machine on and off, choose your drying cycle, and even monitor your laundry's progress. So, when you'd rather spend time in the garden or out with friends, you can have perfectly dry clothes without tending to the machine. Clever sensor drying technology gives you perfect drying results each and every time. Simply select the ideal level of dryness, such as the cupboard dry, extra dry, and iron dry settings. And clever sensors inside the drum will then monitor moisture levels and end the cycle once your clothes are dry. This helps to protect fabrics and save energy, meaning it's kinder to your clothes and your utility bills. If you're looking for a tumble dryer with intelligent technology to make laundry day effortless, this vented model from Hoover is an ideal choice.